สวัสดี
Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share a nice, peaceful alternative to Bangkok traffic. We're going to cruise the Riverside district on the Chao Phraya River on the way to the IconSiam Mall. I think this is a wonderful opportunity to avoid the hustle and bustle and chaos of Bangkok morning traffic. When you're making your reservations, I think this is a great alternative to the BTS, MRT, taxis, or what have you in the city, and just have a nice, peaceful cruise on the waterway. We will stop at the Satong Pier. At the Satong Pier, which is basically across from the IconSiam, we will transfer to another boat, and we will cross the river and spend some time at the IconSiam, which is one of the major shopping centers in Bangkok. This shopping center is not only great for its stores, its architecture, food court. I will produce another video which will concentrate a bit more on the stores, and then another one with the food court. But in this video we have a little of both. As you join me on this morning cruise, notice again life on the waterway. Notice the boat traffic on the various hotels link people along the waterway to the condos on the right. Notice the fabulous architecture of some of the buildings as we get closer in the city. Thanks again for joining me and sharing this experience. Not only will I see you at the end of this video, but I'm looking forward to sharing the other videos. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of the new video. I'm having technical challenges to resolve soon. So lucky for you, I won't be on the mic too often. But listen for the sounds of the city and the ambiance. I'll see you soon. Thanks for staying to the end. What are your thoughts? We're reaching a larger audience. So for anyone that's new, please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and please make sure that you again share and add your comment. I'll see you on the next video.